Hello everyone, this is Mirna from Mirna's Calm Joys, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. I got this under my Christmas tree as a gift from my husband for me. As you can see by the nice beautiful Christmas ribbon, it is from Louis Vuitton, and it's something I wished for, so let's see what is inside. I wanted to film this right away so I can open it. So let's go. Nice packaging. Look at this. This is really something festive. This year they have a nice ribbon. And oh, this tag with a little horsey. It is beautiful. I don't own any Louis Vuitton bags, any luxury bags at all. But as I saw this cover on some other people's channels, I fell in love. And you're gonna soon see why. Because this is the size I use most for journaling. So let's get started. This is a really beautiful packaging all around. Oh my gosh, it says Louis Vuitton Joyeux Fête. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but it's in French. So let's open it. Nice tag. This is gonna be for my memory. I whispered to my husband what I would like when he asked, what would you like for Christmas? And this is something I wished for. Wasn't sure that he's gonna get it. And I want it in two colors. So Louis Vuitton, ta-da! And it is in a nice cloth bag. It says Louis Vuitton printed on the cloth bag. And inside it is, oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh, he got the black one. Let me just see this for a sec. My gosh, that is so gorgeous. I told him I would love a red one or a black one. So either sari red or a black one. And he told me they had this one in the store. He went to check it. And then since they didn't have a red one, he decided he wants to buy me this one. And now that I see it in person, I think this is something that's going to last me for years and to go with all of my bags. So, sorry, I skipped. I'm under impression. This is so gorgeous. I wasn't so far in any of the agendas, but lately that I'm using Franklin Covey compact ring size, I would love to also have the monogram agenda because I use rings all year long. And I love this because this is the height of the standard TN size, a bit wider. This is A5 Slim size. A5 is the same height as standard traveler's notebook size, but it's wider. It's 14.8 millimeters, almost 15 millimeters. A5 Slim is 2 centimeters shorter. So it's 13 centimeters instead of almost 15. And I love it because, as I saw on other people's channels, it can fit standard TN size inside, and you can use several books. And then that way, you can use pen here or on the side here. But I wanted this cover because this can go in my bag, and I can even use my week's size planner together inside. And I must say, let me see if everything is right. Yeah, Louis Vuitton, made in France. Let me see, the stitching is good. I just wanna inspect it because I opened it right now. Everything seems to be so good and well made. I love the imprinting, and I love that it's in black, so it's not so visible and so in your face, but you can still see it. Of course, this is a luxury item. You don't have to have this. I just wanted that one because I use that size mostly. And you can cut any notebook size to fit this. If you use A5 anyways, just take it to the print shop to cut 2 centimeters shorter, and there you go. This is more portable in any bag. This can even go in some of the flap bags. I don't own any luxury bags, any Chanel or Louis Vuitton, so I wouldn't know, but I guess in those larger Chanel flap bags or some of those nicer, even Coach or some other brands, doesn't have to be a luxury brand, but you can fit this inside. Wow, really love it. This was heavily inspired by a couple of channels I saw on YouTube. Two of the most I was watching this was Time with Tata, Lori Tata was getting that exact same one. Then Best Laid Plans, I think the girl Anuja is from Australia. She has a couple of these shown in spring. They have even monogram versions with the bunny on top here or some other canvas covers, the same one, just in canvas on the outside too. And also Maria from Planner Mother of 3 channel and Instagram account, she also has several covers like this, and she uses standard tin size. That's why I fell in love when I saw her, because I love standard tin size for memory keeping and journaling. But I'm thinking also using this as planner on the go, maybe for my social media, or possibly work in the future for my teaching classes in German. Okay, let me move the box. The box was nicely packaged. Let me, oh, something is there too. Oh, so Emily Noir, and that's the code. This is what came with the planner. Let me move the box aside, and then I will show you how my journals fit in this. So this is the cover for my memory keeping and journaling. I'm using TN, as I said. This is my standard traveler's notebook cover that I made myself from brown leather. I bought a couple of years ago from Michael's, but now I decided to kind of make it and use it. I just made 2 flap pockets, stitched it, put holes in, burnished the edges, and this is so nice and pliable. I love covers like this also. But if I want something nice too, this is a nice option. So here I'm using my N1 common planner, excuse me, N1 common planner from Sterling Ink. This was 2024 edition, so it says N1 compact because it has less pages than full year version. The full year would be, I think, double the size. So let's see how this fits. And I use Half Year Stalogy as my journal. Let's pop this in here. My bookmarks. So 2 books, usually I have them together, but sometimes I decide to just leave one at home, take my journal, and then my weeks together in this cover. That's why standard tin size is so good. So let's do that and see how they fit in here. Let's try first with the Sterling ink book. She has golden edges. I'm almost used it up. Don't use so many note pages, but I use my monthlies for gratitude, for family, and weekly vertical pages for my memory keeping. So I still have to do the last 2 days of this Christmas week. These are some of the layouts. I change layouts all the time, even though it's vertical. I love to memory keep in this. This is also a good size also for a planner. I might use that one here too. I've ordered another one from Sterling Ink when she restocked the tweed one. So I'm waiting on those. So see, when you use only one book, this is how it looks. I'm gonna do another video with a full setup and some ideas how you can use pens in here, not to damage the outside, so I'll show that. But this is so gorgeous. Look, only one book, it's enough. You can also move it towards down, and then you can also buy that clip for pens and use one pen here, so the pen is also protected. And since I use fountain pens, that is a good option too. Let's now see how does it work with two books. Just let me move my Christmas decorations aside and see how it works with two books inside. One here, one here, and nice. Look how good that is. And now I have room to put an insert for my pen, which I'm gonna show in another video, and two books here. Or I can move them down and then have room for two pens here. Put two of those Leuchtturm, or I make my own. So yeah, as I was saying, you can put pens here and use this as your notebook. I'm waiting, as I said, on those sterling ink N1 and N2 planners, and I have some ideas for other notebooks that you can use in A5 Slim size. This is perfect. Let's now try the other notebook I have, which is, I have this lying around for next year if I need it for journal, because I'm going to use those two books by the end of the year and then switch into this for my journaling and also my common planner as memory keeper when it arrives. I'm still waiting on it. So this is the full year Stylogy book, which means it has 365 pages for the whole year. It's just grid paper. You have some writing here. It is months, days, and then numbers for the dates. And just the grid. I brought this to a local print shop, Printer CA, and they cut it for me to standard TN size, which is 11 centimeters in width. I can do one with 13, which is A5 Slim, so I might do that, but I love this size. So this is with only that book in here. So if some of you consider sterling ink full year common planner and not the compact version, you could do that and still put another compact book. So let's see. If you would put this, you can still fit both and still have room for one pen. That's why I love this cover and this size notebooks in here. I don't have any A5 Slim to show, but I will do a separate video and show one, how it fits. Yeah, this is great. I love this. So my journal, my memory keeper, or you can do, so this is my week's common planner and two from Sterling Ink. I'm use on the go. So let's see if I want to use one week size notebook in here, I can do that as well. Let's move this pen loop inside so it doesn't stick out. Put it here. So now you have planner and a notebook, and still you have room to put and insert a pen loop for your pens. Or you can do the whole notebook A5 Slim, I think, and still use the smaller planner on the go like this together with it. And this looks nice, compact, and fancy. So yeah, I really love it. Okay, let's now, this is my Christmas decoration I was using since the beginning of the month. Let's now try decorate it a bit. Put my notebook inside. I have this decor that I had from before that I like to use like that. And this is my lead cover. I'm gonna show all my leather covers. I made these magnets myself. So you can even take some of them. Let's see how they work in here. And take some bows or something else. Let's see how that works. Like that. Or this little bear that goes nicely into here, and then you have some nice little deco like that. And when you open your side, something nice and small is surprising you. But I don't know, when I think about what I like, I think I would love this little bear, which I've also found at Michael's. All these were charms. I made them into magnets. I stick magnets on each side and then use them in my covers. This was a pin, not a charm, but oh yeah, both are here now. But I just removed the pins on each side, stick the magnet here, and use the other part. These magnets are all magnets from my fridge that I had on there, and some of them broke years ago. So I saved the magnets, and now I'm using them like that for the behind. And I found also this little bear, which to me is so cute. A nice deco. I love it. Still nice and cute. Or you can just put a bow here and make your planner nice that way. And maybe then also put this deco on top of the acetate here. Use it like a side here. Decoration here without ruining the leather there. This is also nice. Here we go. Just some deco. This is so nice and soft. The leather feels really good. It's coated leather, I believe, but I don't mind it. I have my own that I make from natural pieces, but I really love how nice and compact this looks, especially with the gold edges on this notebooks. It looks so nice and festive. So yeah, your pens. Pen here fits, so if I would use a nice pen loop here, now I'm holding it so it doesn't fall out. So this is my Pelikan M1000 Renaissance Brown, which is a thick pen. It fits still here. Even if I would use a little bit wider notebook, it would still fit in here. And I plan to make one leather insert here for this pen, so I can use it with this folio, this notebook cover, Emily leather notebook cover from Louis Vuitton. Very nice and beautiful. Okay, so that's all, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for how I'm going to use exactly this when my other notebooks arrive, and see you then. Bye.